How to collaborate on Instagram post. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the plus icon given at the bottom middle. For that, your gallery will open up. Now select the option of post. Now go ahead and select the post that you want to upload and collaborate with. If you want to select multiple posts, click on this icon. Now you are able to select multiple posts. Once you are done, click on next. So here are the pictures. From here, you are able to add the music to it or add some filters and then click on next. Once you're on this page, you are able to add a caption, likewise add poll or prompt. Then click on the option of tag people. Click on invite collaborators. Now go ahead and type in the username of the person with whom you want to collaborate with. Now click on done. Now you can add location, add music, likewise customize these settings. Then you can click on share. Once you upload the post, you can open it. You have invited this person to be a collaborator. Once the person accepts your request, the person will be added as a collaborator for this post. But the selected person has to accept your request to collaborate on this post. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.